your shopping bag? Yeah.
Thank you.
Go shopping. Put it on your arm again. Put it on your arm there. We'll take that out because that might make it easier to carry. There you go, look.
Come on then, Esme, you coming shopping? Are you searching for your phone, keys, purse, cards, bus pass?
What's a dirty nappy? You want to take that shopping with you? There you go. On you go. Look, Daddy's waiting for you to go shopping. There you are.
Thank you. Come on then. Ah, thank you. Bye. Bye.